When bots hammer your donation form with rapid-fire attempts, rate limiting slows them to a crawl. Charitable gives you 2 layers, and the first is built for exactly that threat: Stripe rate limiting. It targets the classic card testing attack, where a bot runs stolen card numbers through your form again and again. You will find both layers under Settings, then Security, then Rate Limiting. Switch Stripe rate limiting on. It watches for failed card attempts coming from the same visitor, and once they hit your limit, it locks that visitor out for a set period, which stops a card testing run cold. You control both numbers, how many failed attempts to allow and how long the lockout lasts. 5 attempts and a short block is a sensible default. Tighten it if you are actively under attack. The second layer is general rate limiting, and it covers every form submission on your site, not just payments, donations, registrations, even password resets. Turn it on to throttle anyone firing requests at your forms far faster than a real person ever could. Set 3 things: the maximum request to allow, the time window to count them in, and how long an offending IP is blocked once it crosses the line. And right here, a live status shows the IPs Charitable is tracking and any it is currently blocking in red, so you can watch your limits doing their job. Sometimes you already know the address behind an attack. Block it outright under IP management. Paste the IP into the blacklist, 1 per line, and save. Blacklisted addresses are always blocked, no matter what your other settings say. And if you are not sure of the address, turn on Log IP addresses with donations, and you can grab it straight from a suspicious donations details. The whitelist does the exact opposite. Add your office network, your team, or your own IP here, and those addresses skip rate limiting and captcha entirely. So trusted people are never slowed down, and your own testing never trips a limit. Save, and your layered IP defenses are locked in. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.